and we're headed up there. Well, we've made it 3.6 miles. Excuse the panting, but we've climbed right at 2,000 feet elevation. You can see the trail there behind me. And then I'm not sure what it does, but it's gonna end up there or up there. We don't know which yet. And I'll show you guys the view from where we just came from. And of course, like all things on video, it's hard to tell, but that is a trail that goes straight down the mountain. Never looks the same on video, but just trust me. If you can see the grade of the hill there, that's the same grade basically, like that we just climbed. And this trail does not zigzag, it just goes straight up. Whoever built this one was like, I want this to be as short as possible. We made it to 3,200 foot elevation. Now you can see that the trail basically goes straight up to that top to hit 4,000 feet. If you watched our short last week, we were out there on that trail and ended up right about there. So a lot higher this weekend. We're in this little saddle here, heading up that way, came from that way, and over here, you can see the trail we just took, and we just came from way up there at the peak. Pretty crazy what you can do. And there's the Matsu Valley. All right, one of the best parts of hiking in summer in Alaska, blueberries. We are making the final descent. We got about 2 miles, I think, to get back to the truck. It's very steep again, but definitely feeling better this week than last. We've been doing all these hikes because we're training for hunting season. Today we only have like, I don't know, 22 pounds maybe in our packs each. But we're gonna start increasing the pounds over the next week. Well, the next few weeks, as we train, get in the groove of things. We're doing a lot of these uphill, downhill hikes, even though the hunting terrain we're headed to doesn't have mountains. It's gonna be a lot of open, rolling tundra. But we figured that a lot of up and down like this with the weight in our packs was kind of the fastest way we could get in shape. because it's really those leg muscles that you need going up and down the tussocks and across the tundra. So that's kind of the game plan, getting in shape rapidly as hunting season approaches and turning a color slightly darker than pale white while we do it, hopefully. Back at the trailhead, that's us. We've got Toyota Club here. Looks like the Silver Toyota Club. That's a wrap. 8.5 miles, a little over 6 hours. And don't pay attention to the max speed or the time moving. For some reason those are off, but I guarantee you at no point on this trip did we go 13 miles per hour. Absolutely not. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.